Here's a short tutorial on how to create a Google Cloud Doc assignment. First thing you do is go into your course, and then you go into assignments. Then you go to add assignment. And then you can create a name. So this will be test Google Cloud. Spelling is good. And you can give it any type of instructions that you want. You can add text, you could add videos, you could add recordings. Then you go ahead and give it as many points as you want. If you have different assignment groups, you can choose how you want to display the grade as points, percentage, complete, incomplete, letter grade, anything that way. Then the important part is you go down to the submission type and you go to external tool. Then you go to find, and then you're going to scroll down to Google Cloud Doc assignment. You don't want to use Google Assignments unless you're into the new LTI. So choose Google Docs Cloud Assignment, and then it's going to take you to your Google Drive. And here you can search for anything. So the example assignment, I called it, was test Google Cloud Doc assignment, and there it is. So I'll just choose that and then hit submit, and then you hit select, and now each student will get a copy of that assignment. You can put your due dates on there, available to and unavailable to. And then if you're ready, you could hit save, or if you're ready for students to see it, you could hit save and publish. So there it goes. It's popping up. So there's the cloud assignment for them. For this one, what is the meaning of life? They each get their own copy of the assignment, and therefore you don't have to have them email it in or do anything like that. And when you're ready to grade them, when they start coming in, you can hit SpeedGrader, and I'll make a short video on that in just a little bit.